On the daily challenge screen with 0 guesses. Accepting cookies first, then focusing the search field and typing a common well-known movie Inception as a starting probe to gather type/year/reading feedback. Waiting for suggestions to appear before selecting. Type card is green for Inception a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target is older, more than 2 years before 2010 so 2007 or earlier. Rating 8.8 is red with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower, more than 0.5 below 8.8 so below 8.3. No genre pills highlighted green action, adventure, sci-fi all gray equals not on target. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints, target is a movie, released before 2007, rating below 8.3, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Guest title was Inception avoid repeating. Type card is green movie, so target medium equals movie. Target is older than 2010 down arrow, more than 2 years, so before 2007 and rating lower than 8.8 but still likely high. Not action/adventure/sci-fi. I probe with The Godfather 1972, a classic drama/crime film to test year direction and genre overlap. Selecting from drop-down and submitting. The Godfather movie submitted. The drop-down is open covering the type/year/rating cards, but I can see the secondary criteria. Genres show drama highlighted green target has drama, crime is gray not on target. No actors highlighted Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan all gray equals not on target. Director Francis Ford Coppola gray not on target. Combined with prior Inception feedback, target median equals movie, older than 2010, rating lower than 8.8 has drama genre, but not crime, not action/adventure/sci-fi, not Coppola. The Godfather year card was likely red target newer than 1972 probably, since Godfather is very old. Constraints, movie, drama, before 2007, rating below 8.3, no crime. Godfather type green equals movie, target medium equals movie. Godfather year 1972 red with up arrow equals target is newer than 1972. Rating 9.2 red down arrow equals target rating lower than 8.7. Combined with Inception older than 2010, target is between 1974 and 2007. Genre drama confirmed green, not crime. So target is a drama movie roughly 1974-2007, rating below 8.7, but reasonably high. I'll guess Forrest Gump 1994, drama, rating 8.8 to test year range and drama subwinners. Forrest Gump type equals movie green, so target medium equals movie. Year 1994 red with down arrow equals target is older than 1994 more than 2 years, so before 1992. Rating 8.8 red down arrow equals target rating lower than 8.3. Genres, drama green on target, romance gray not on target. Actors Tom Hanks, Robin Wright, Gary Sinise all gray. Director Robert Zemeckis gray. Combined with Godfather newer than 1972, target is between 1974 and 1992, a drama movie, rating below 8.3, not crime, not romance. Candidates like One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, Raging Bull, Amadeus 1984, etc. Confirmed from screenshot. Forrest Gump type green movie, target median equals movie. Here 1994 red down arrow equals target older than 1994 before 1992. Rating 8.8 red down equals target below 8.3. Drama green, romance gray. Godfather year 1972 up arrow equals target newer than 1972. So target is drama movie between 1974-1992, rating below 8.3, not crime/romance. Guessing One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 1975, drama, rating 8.7. Scrolling up first to reach the search field, then typing cuckoo. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest type equals movie green, so target medium equals movie. Year 1975 red with up arrow equals target is newer than 1975 more than 2 years, so after 1977. Rating 8.7 red down arrow equals target rating lower than 8.2. Genre drama green only genre shown. Actors Jack Nicholson, Louise Fletcher, Michael Berryman all gray. Director Milos Forman gray. Combined with Forrest Gump older than 1994, so before 1992, target is a drama movie between 1978 and 1992, rating below 8.2, not crime/romance. Candidates, Amadeus 1984, Raging Bull 1980, Rain Man 1988, Platoon 1986. Confirmed, Cuckoo's Nest type green movie, target median equals movie. Year 1975 red up arrow equals, target newer than 1975 after 1977. Forrest Gump year 1994 down equals, target older than 1994 before 1992. Rating below 8.2. Drama confirmed. So drama movie 1978-1992, rating below 8.2. Guessing Amadeus 1984, drama, rating 8.4. Scrolling up to reach search field then typing. Amadeus type equals movie green, so target median equals movie. A mystery poster hint pop-up is showing after guess 5 with a pixelated poster mostly orange/yellow warm tones in upper portion with red/dark at bottom. Amadeus year 1984 the card is behind the pop-up, but based on prior constraints target is between 1978-1992. Genre shown biography need to check if green. Actors F. Murray Abraham, Tom Hulse, Elizabeth Berge gray. The pixelated poster shows warm orange/gold tones which could hint at fills like Platoon or something with fire/desert. I need to close the pop-up next turn to read the full year/rating arrows for Amadeus. Amadeus type equals movie green, target medium equals movie. Amadeus year 1984 red with up arrow equals target newer than 1984 after 1986. Reading 8.4 yellow down arrow equals target reading within 0.5 lower, so around 7.9-8.4. Combined with Forrest Gump older than 1994, before 1992. Target is a drama movie between 1986 and 1992, reading 7.9-8.3. Drama confirmed, not biography / music / romance / crime. Candidates: Rain Man 1988, 8.0, Platoon 1986, 8.1, Dead Poets Society 1989, 8.1, Glory 1989. Guessing Platoon 1986, Drama / War, 8.1. Platoon type equals movie green, so target medium equals movie. Year 1987 is yellow with up arrow equals target is newer than 1987 but within 2 years, so 1988 or 1989. Rating 8.1 is green equals target reading is 8.1 same. Genre drama green on target, war gray not on target. Actors Charlie Sheen, Tom Berenger, Willem Dafoe gray. Director Oliver Stone gray. So target is a movie, 1988-1989, drama not war, rating exactly 8.1. Strong candidates: Rain Man 1988, 8.0, Dead Poets Society 1989, 8.1, Cinema Paradiso 1988, Field of Dreams. Dead Poets Society 1989, rating 8.1, drama is an excellent fit. Platoon type equals movie green, target medium equals movie. Year 1987 yellow with up arrow equals target newer than 1987 within 2 years, so 1988-1989. Rating 8.1 green equals target rating exactly 8.1. Drama green, war gray. So target is a 1988-1989 drama movie rated 8.1. Dead Poets Society 1989, drama, 8.1 is a strong fit. The search field is at Y equals 400 and guess button at Y equals 456 per screenshot. Clicking field, typing, selecting, submitting. Solved it. The answer was Dead Poets Society in 7 guesses. The clues zeroed in perfectly. It's a movie with the drama genre, and after Platoon narrowed the window to 1988-1989 with an exact rating match of 8.1, the 1989 drama Dead Poets Society was the natural fit. Mandated for a score of 382. Captain, my captain.